just ordered a microwave. Why would you order a microwave? Should be here. Okay. Ding dong. Oh, it's here. Oh. Can I go bring it back upstairs? Here's the microwave. Yep, it's a microwave. Yeah, let's go outside and open it. It's too cramped in here. Alright, let's set it on the table. So who's gonna open it? Not it. Fine, I guess I'll open it. Finally opened it, now let's get it out. Yep, it's a microwave. Get it out, pay so much for this microwave. What do you mean? It was only $42. $42 with whose credit card? Owen? Owen? Your credit card? I'm gonna kill you! Where's my credit card? Well, you wanna test the microwave out? Oh, yeah. I think we should have some cups over here. Got filled with something. I know what to fill with. Okay, it's filled. With what? I'm not gonna tell you. Give me the stupid cup. Let me taste this. It tastes like Dr. Pepper. Wait a minute. Are you old? No, I'm not old. Why does it feel with Dr. Pepper? Because all you drink is Dr. Pepper and Coke. No, I don't. No, you're still alive. Well, just put it in. Oh, is this hot chocolate? Yeah, but I don't know. I'm just gonna put it in. Gotta shut it. Where's the hot cocoa? Boop, boop. Alright. Gotta wait. How long? It says about 2 minutes. That's too long. 2 minutes is too long. No, it's not, Owen. Calm down. Oh! I want to play dinosaurs. Yeah, while we're waiting. Okay, I'll go get the dinosaurs. Alright. Ooh, I want to be Spino. I guess Stego, whatever, Tritic. I'm gonna use a headbutt. I'm gonna bite you. I'm gonna get back up, headbutt you again. Boom, boom. And don't forget about us. Dodge that stomp. Well, I'm gonna get back up, bite you, and hit you with my tail. I'm gonna boom, headbutt you, stomp on you a whole bunch of times. Stop, get off me. Die. Snap your neck. Well, I think it's done. Let me go see Owen. Yep, it's done. Let me just open it. Oof. Alright, let's get the coffee milk. Alright, let me taste. Hot. It's hot. Yo, you really gonna let it spill? Like, come. You know what? I think, I'm really tired. I'm not gonna fall asleep. Yeah, I didn't want to. Owen. Raptor. Ah! Elena, why'd you hit me? Are you having them hallucination dreams again? Yeah, I think I am. Well, time to get up. Thank you guys so much if you ever watched this. And that was the end of the video. And hopefully you have a good time. I'm recording this at night, by the way. This is everything I have to work with. And this might be a more part series. But bye!